So, if you can come in, we're going to give you the food because we trust you.
Here's our team on this boat.
You can just come alongside here if you want, or you can come up the slip. I don't mind.
I have you all on film.
Straight to the meat train. All of us forward. Captain Mariner in front.
Right, cut! John!
Have your supplies.
Supplies! Now, all the faces, but you two can't. Right, wait. Mike, I got a feeling they're going to capsize again down there. Are they? I got a feeling.
No, they won't capsize, you know.
Look at the weight, look at the stability.
No, they won't, it shouldn't capsize.
Yeah, it was
change the balance, just to break. You're on the slow boat to China now. You could think if it got moved.
Oh, off we go.
All right,
I'll put those in for some reason.
Yeah.
Am I the only one who's got a bit of cameras?
It looks like it. What? 12:15. Yeah, it's not lunchtime. No, you got a bit.